May be also. There are two items, my lord. We have kept the matter as contract. And we have been told by the registry that to be fixed for orders. So, my lord, received the instruction we have come, especially for this case.
Where it is?
Now, these two matters
It's not listed today.
not listed today. So may I make a mention that matter is going to be fixed on Tuesday. Instead of Tuesday, let the matter come on Thursday. So that I may come up.
Yes.
Obliged.
May I please, Lordship? Lordship,
Yes.
I beg to mention item number 3, Lordship. Would like to withdraw with liberty, Lordship.
Why?
There have some mistake, Lordship, in the first para, Lordship.
On the prayer of Mr.
Exactly, Lordship, mistake in that, Lordship.
It's-
There have not mentioned in the interpret name, Lordship. Only
S.T.
HT Tara, Lordship.
S.T. Tara, learned counsel for the petitioner. Mr. H.T. Tara, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that he may be allowed to withdraw this writ petition with a liberty to file afresh. Prayer is allowed. Writ petition is still dismissed as you draw. With a liberty.
Yes,
Yes,
Lordship,
correct.
with liberty.
On withdrawal, sorry. Dismissed on withdrawal with a liberty to file afresh. File afresh, with a liberty as prayed for.
Your Honor, I'd like to mention item number 14.
14.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes.
The lead counsel is out of station, Your Honor. This
On
matter
the
may
prayer of Mr.
H. Tai.
It's right. Then counsel for the list this matter up.
Can it be on 6th of December, Your Honor?
606 11 20 12 20 20.
Obliged.
My lord, this case,
Yes.
all the three petitioners, they are aware that technical bid is open, and their representative also attend during the time of opening of the technical bids. So there are around 184 firms participants. So for evaluation, it took times. Now it's on the verge of completion. The result will be very soon. It's uploaded. So their grievances is that for a long time it has been, now it has to go for fresh tender. So 184 firms participated and 3 says that it should be retendered.
Yes, issue notice. What's it? We'll see.
Lordship,
You file the affidavit.
Lordship, we are a small player,
What
if it
is-
can be considered there.
Yes.
Lordship, we had submitted a representation
Yes.
to them, seeking clarification as to why. We will pray that if Lordship may deem it appropriate that this matter may dispose of by making them dispose of this representation with a speaking order, Lordship.
No, we'll see. We'll see. We'll just not issue a mutual permit. We'll see, let them file affidavit. Or Mr. G. Talo, the counsel for the petitioner. By filing this petitioner, by filing this petition, the petitioners or petitioner?
Petitioners, my lords.
One,
There are 3. It is common. for-
petitioners. They prayed for a direction to issue fresh tender in respect of the, what is the work?
Lordship, the work, my lord, will find at page number 5. They have participated differently.
Page 5.
Page 5, Lordship. We have given a breakdown of the work.
What is it? In respect of this. The construction of road or what?
Road, Lordship.
Construction road.
Under Vibrant Village.
Construction-
Altogether, there are 26 projects.
Construction road under Vibrant Village Program. is the NIT dated 14/3/2000. The construction of 27 numbers of projects in the district of Kurung Kumen under Vibrant Village Program is the NIT dated 14/03/2024 has not been completed even after lapse of 8 months, 7 months,
Nearing 8 months, my lord.
nearly
The opening was in April.
nearly 8 months. In violation of the terms and violation of the conditions of the said NIT. Mr. Issue notice. No, before that. Mr. G. Tarak, Learned Standing Counsel for Rural Works Department on instruction, submits that in view of huge number of huge number of participants in the said tender, the evaluation of the scrutiny of the scrutiny of the evaluation of the scrutiny of the bids are taking considerable time. He submits that as and when he submits that the evaluation of the scrutiny is under process.
My lord, since it was voted in the March, then in between there was litigation, then election.
In under process and is expected to be completed
Very soon.
by
By 2-3 days.
expected to be completed within a period of 2 weeks.
1 week, less than 1 week.
Make it
1 week.
2 weeks. Mr. Issue notice returnable by 4 weeks. Next period. Since Mr. Y. Learned State Council and Mr. G. Tarak, Learned Standing Council, appears for all the respondents. No formal decision is necessary. However, extra provision for this with the Learned Council for the respondents. This after 4 weeks.
Extra copy.
My lord.
Extra copy, yeah. Excellent for this. Yes.
May I please, your lordship? Please,
Caveat. But Mr. You are for caveat.
Yes, my lord.
Caveat on Mr. Empathy. In a caveat, huh? Mr. Empathy, London Senior Council. Caveat is in the church. Yes.
my lord. My lord, the petition of your lordship is basically on 4 grounds, my lord.
Yes.
The first is, my lord, the inter-C, my lord, transfer, which is not, my lord, the provision is not, my lord, permissible. Number 2, my lord, there is no administrative exigencies or the public interest. The impune transfer order has been issued, my lord. And the third one is, my lord, the petitioner is at the verge of, my lord, retirement. Of course, 16 months left, my lord. And the fourth one is, my lord, mid of the academic sessions of the school going children, my lord. Now, my lord, I'll come to, my lord, the first ground,
Two last 2 grounds goes.
my lord.
Nothing.
Admittedly, my lord. Just
No
my
economic
lord, mention.
session, no retirement, nothing.
Yes, ma'am. And on first point, my lord, intercity transport, my lord.
Yes.
The petitioner is serving as my lord, regular executive engineer, my lord. And he has been posted at the present place of postings.
How long? How long?
My lord, 2020, my lord.
More than 3 years. Normal tenure is 2 years.
Madam, we are not on normal ground, madam. Only basically our ground is, madam, intercity transfer. Madam, as per the law.
What is
let
the
out-
law? What is the law?
Madam, as per
What is the rules that there cannot be intercity?
madam, as per the madam, the order passed by this honorable court in court, madam, the coordinate bench, madam, it is madam, the clearly mentions that.
I may disagree.
Madam,
I may disagree,
madam.
but with reason.
Lordship.
We'll place before
Is
the.
in one of the case,
we'll
Lordship.
We'll place before the larger bench.
Madam,
We'll place before Honorable Chief Justice.
madam. In one case, madam, yes.
See, is it a case that in charge officer cannot function?
Yes, madam. Yes, madam. Since I am the regular, madam, the executive engineer, madam, I cannot be released.
Why they have allowed to function as in charge?
Madam,
Equally, they are capable of taking up the works. Even if officer is in charge,
madam.
since he or she has been allowed to function as in charge, he or she equally as can function.
Madam, that can be only possible, my lord, as my respectful submission is, when there is no, my lord, the
You said
executive engineer.
in violation of some rules.
No, my lord, I'm sorry, my lord, in violation of the law, my lord, my lord, the order passed by the coordinate bench.
The Supreme Court.
No, my lord, admittedly, my lord. Since lordship has already appeared in one
The
of the
problem
case.
is you have completed normal tenure.
My lord, that part
More than normal tenure.
that part, my lord, we are admitting, my lord, normal tenure is over, my lord. But my lord, my contention only is, my lord, there is no administrative or public interest, my lord, if an order has been issued, my lord. And number one. Number two, my lord, if at all, my lord, I am to be replaced, my lord, why, my lord, the respondent authorities is not replacing the same authorities who is holding the, my lord, the similar. He is not at all, my lord. His substantive post is something some different, my lord, and he is allowed to function as, my lord. My lord, only exigencies can be possible. Service, my lord, in the interest of public service can be possible when, my lord, there is no regular, my lord, executive engineer, my lord. That is the only my case, my lord.
Where is the rule that the only regular executive engineer can function? They can
My lord,
properly take up the works
my
in
lord,
the department.
my partially, I'd like to rely upon the, my lord, the order passed by this honorable court in, my lord,
I'm conscious of that.
my lord. Yes, my lord. And one of the similar case wherein lordship has also the interfered in the. In this case also, my lord, the same, my lord. The petitioner was serving as, my lord, the regular, my lord, assistant engineer.
Yes. What to do?
Would like to hear from the cabinet or from
Government.
government.
Cabinet is good. We'll hear him.
Yes, as your lordship has rightly pointed out, there is no any such rule that the regular can be replaced by only regular method. In service jurisprudence, I have never came across this type of rules. My lord,
But problem, the coordinate bench has already.
but yes,
decided
I'm aware of that. And similar situation, my lord, in Hiling Taja case, Justice Soran Bala deferred. My lord, he grant the stay order and later on, my lord, he suspended his own, my lord, interim order by adducing some document.
If
Well,
if it is deferred, it has to be placed before the honorable
Correct,
chief
my
justice
lord,
for
correct.
larger bench.
Now, my lord,
Otherwise, law is very clear.
yes, I
When
understand.
about it's the system, our judicial system is as such, is a precedent.
But presidential, well, I can understand, but you also have to see.
We're
my
bound
lord,
by the decision of the coordinate
coordinate,
bench.
but
If we disagree, we may referred.
But my lord, under what circumstance? Because it's all depends on the case to case basis. My lord, here is the case. They have annexed itself, my lord. But see the position of the executive engineer. Now the total is still, if I lordship take annexed, my lord, you lordship may kindly come to page 28.
Yes.
If regular is to be replaced by regular, this department become a default, my lord. You lordship may kindly see, my lord, from 1 to 9, they are only regular executive, my lord. And see the strain, my lord, 36, my lord. Rest are all official in functional in charge, my lord. Now, regular cadre is only up to 9. Now, why, my lord, we could
What
not-
is the specialty of the respondent? Private respondent?
my lord, as per
What
recruit-
specialization she or he has?
my lord, as per recruitment rules, my lord, he had already qualified the length of service. Why we could not see the DPC, my lord? Because the
I
inter
think
seniority,
perhaps, sir, that cannot be a ground for
No.
transfer and posting. Why don't you, who is stopping you holding a DPC?
my lord, because there is injunction from this court, the seniority are challenged, my lord. Seniority position are being challenged. Until and unless seniority is settled down, my lord, we can receive for DPC.
Why he has to be transferred?
My lord, number one, my lord, he has already completed length of service. Number two, my lord, he has been transferred from district to chief engineer at the bar of retirement, so that my lord, he can ready himself for the retirement documentation. I think that will help him, my lord. That will-
all the cases cannot be equated with different fact and different circumstances. Now, they are taking and relied upon the judgment of Yapung Konya and Hibut Tamang. Now, my question here in the case is that, in that case, as per the initiative of the respondent, the regular officers were transferred out because of the initiative of in-charge officers. Now, here in the case, in their transfer order, there is no remark. But here in the case, there is a remark. Now, in the remark, they have written on my transfer that by Sri Tabing transferred. I have been transferred only because of the transfer of the Tabing.
Which one?
If there is any such law,
Where it is?
page 35, page 35, this is a by Sri Tabing transfer. Unless he was not transferred out, why I should be transferred? It is because of his transfer I have been appointed. So if there is any bar that after transferring a particular officer, I
Well-
cannot come or any person cannot become.
Where it says?
Here in the remarks column,
Page 35.
page 35 remarks column.
There's nothing. Okay. Why Sri Tawin transfer?
Transfer. Means
Sir,
this is past,
With-
which is
with-
past tense and present
sir,
tense.
with greatest respect, it's too perfect an argument. This is transfer of this, it's talking about this order only. This by Sri Tabing transfer, it's talking about this transfer order only. Not that he has already been transferred, therefore you have been placed, transferred in your place.
Yes.
It's not that. It's not that, sir.
Ma'am, here in the
This transfer talks about the present transfer order.
present transfer means, see,
By this order only, the petitioner has been transferred. Therefore, it is shown in the remarks that it
and
transferred. Not that he has already been transferred earlier and since there's a vacancy which you are sought to be projected that this respondent has been.
see, my case is.
I have seen it.
I have been transferred to this post on 29/3/2023. Means I have not completed even the tenure. But then, what happened here in the case? They
When
have,
issuing notice, we stay in the order.
no, and
You file an affidavit, we'll hear you.
no, one of the points, what I want to submit here in the case is that
Yes.
the petitioner was transferred from rowing to,
Admittedly, he has
Yes.
completed his
No.
tenure.
that is in the petition, part number 4, that he has written at recently transferred, one of the group. Recently, how a person was transferred in 2020 cannot be a recent. In para 4, then another point, I want to point it out. That
Yes, I agree. It's
No, no.
it's a bag. It's little bag. You have transferred in 2020,
And-
and you
and
are saying that recent.
and para 10,
It's very vague, but we're not going to this.
yes, and para 10.
Only consideration is whether a in charge or a person who is not a regular executive engineer can be replace the regular executive engineer.
Now,
Which according to him,
yes, this is the point.
coordinate bench already
Ma-
settled the matter.
My point is that I have not been replaced, but on transfer of that person, I have been posted. That is my point. Unless he was not transferred, I was not supposed to post there. And see the composition.
We'll see.
But-
You file the affidavit, we'll see. You justify.
And para 10, he is owning the side of others. A person who is going to retire, he will have a side of.
We're staying this impute order only because the coordinate bench has already decided the matter as per
And
so far as the issue raised by the petitioner.
Well, so far, my lord, coordinate bench is concerned, my lord, your lordship may kindly peruse, my lord, passed by Justice Surana. My lord, he differed with that and he suspended his own order, my lord. When, my lord, the issue was whether the regular can be replaced by the this ad hoc or not, my lord. But there are other conditions, my lord. Suppose carrying a pay scale, my lord, in the field service, suppose there is not sufficient of the manpower. As I projected, only 9 regulars are there. Only total is 336 Malak. Consider all these things, Malak, Justice Sorana Malik suspended his own orders.
We'll
Yes.
record
In
this.
that case, my lord, Lordship may kindly refer it to the larger length.
We'll hear you, we'll hear, finally hear
This is a
it,
quick case to be heard in less
considered
Yes,
and
my lord.
we'll decide
Yes,
whether it can be referred or
My
not.
lord, as your lordship, there can
But
be
today,
any
when
law,
we
my
are
lord.
issuing notice, you
Right.
file a detailed affidavit. A short date,
My lord,
2 weeks, within 2 weeks, we'll take up the matter after 2 weeks.
After 2 weeks.
Heard, Mr.
Well, till then, my lordship may.
And,
Passing
uh,
status quo.
I have to join.
Now, we're staying this for 2 weeks.
Fine.
Heard, Mr. M. Kato, learned counsel for the petitioner. And also heard Mr. Aris Nabab, additional advocate general for respondent number for state
For state.
and Mr. M. Patil, learned senior counsel assisted by Mr. For respondent number 3. Challenge made in this writ petition is to the transfer and posting order number so and so, page
24.
24, number SUDHS, dated 27/10/2024, issued on 29/10/2024, passed by the Commissioner within bracket Urban Affairs bracket Government of Arunachal Pradesh, whereby the petitioner is sought to be transferred as executive engineer, Bolang Division, to the office of the chief engineer within bracket UDNH bracket close Itanagar as SW Des Roman 1. Next, madam. Mr. M. Kato, learned counsel for the petitioner. While referring to the annexatory at page 26, submits that. Where is the his name? What is the name of respondent?
My lord,
Page 26.
page 26, my lord, response. His name is not there, my lord.
And then
Oh, sorry, my lord, 20, serial number 28, 6, my lord, 26, serial number 26.
What is this?
Page number 26, annexure 3, my lord, serial number 26,
Serial of 26.
my lord.
Is regular. What do you mean by regular? No, no.
Assistant engineer, my lord.
No. Then you show come to page
28, my lord. Page number 30, in charge, my lord.
28. Where it,
Remark column, my lord. Status, my lord, page number 28, status clock, my lord. Column, last paragraph, my lord. In charge.
other realm.
Serial number 36.
At page 28. Submits that the private respondent number 3 is a in-charge executive and his absentee post is a regular executive engineer, whereas
Assistant engineer.
Whereas the petitioner is a regular engineer. Mr. Relying upon the judgment of the judgment of the past, what is that?
My lord,
By the coordinated bench of this court. In the case of Ibu Tama versus State of Arunachal Pradesh, in WPC 189 AP of 2020, submits that. Where is this relevant paragraph?
last paragraph, my lord. I've
Where the relevant?
Para 62, my lord.
Submits that. Says the petition respond number 3 is not similarly placed officer in the department. There cannot be an interstate transfer between the petitioner and the respond number 3. As the respond number 3 is not an regular executive engineer. Therefore, the impugn order dated 27/10/2024 is not sustainable and requires interference of this court. Mr. What is this?
This is also same, my lord, same line, my lord.
Next paragraph. On the other hand, well, Mr. Aretsnago, learned counsel for the learned additional books submits that the petitioner has already completed more than 3 years.
3 years.
More than 3 years in his earlier place of posting at executive engineer. He has no indefeasible right to remain in the said place of posting. Mr. Submits that relying upon the order of the other coordinate bench of this court in Hilang Taju versus State of AP in ISC 180 2014. That an interim order has been passed even after consideration of the case referred to by the learned counsel for the petitioner. Mr. Therefore, there is no rule or guidelines which prevents an officer which is in charge or officiating to be posted in a particular place of posting as an executive engineer. Therefore, it submits that no interim order is called for at this stage. Mr. M. Patel and the senior counsel in the same vein with the submission of the Additional Advocate General has also submitted that what your all submissions are rejected. It has no bearing. In the same vein submitted that although the petition respondent number 2 is an in-charge executive engineer. There is no law that he or she cannot she cannot be posted to a division as an executive engineer. Next paragraph. Issue notice returnable by of the, with regard to the two decisions rendered by the, two different decisions rendered by the coordinate benches of this court shall be determined.
Also, क्या case number था? क्या case number?
Lordship, this is regarding
Yes.
custody of the children.
What happened? Yes, Mr. Tado, what is the status?
Already, your lordship, charge sheet had filed, already filed, and
No, how they've been taken care of?
Yes, this is only for the first time it came up before this court.
First or second doesn't matter. Have you
No.
gone through the petition?
Only synopsis.
He
Yes.
is seeking the
Custody of-
custody
custody
of his child. I mean, his daughter, who has been arrested
Kept
and
in the-
placed in the
placed under
Child
the
wel-
child
child
welfare committee.
child welfare board.
I have to see the case status because examination of the prosecutor.
But then you will issue notice.
Yes,
Meantime, your lordship,
Obviously,
returnable that interim may be given, at least
what for?
parents be allowed to meet their children. They are,
Obviously, will allow
It's,
the
last
parents
court-
to meet.
I should meet, yeah, they can meet, but custody we still under
Still returnable
child welfare
that,
committee because
Obviously. Third, Mr. A. Bhattacharya, learned counsel for the petitioner. By filing this petition, the petitioner has prayed for a direction to the respondent authorities. Has prayed for custody of the minor daughter of the petitioner who has been placed under where? Child
welfare committee.
child welfare under the custody of the child welfare.
Child welfare committee, your lordship. They have taken
Child-
the custody and they have sent. them
Child
to
welfare
Oslo
committee.
mission.
Hmm? Who has been arrested?
No, they have not been arrested.
They have not-
They
who has
have been
been,
a victim. They have been rescued from the
Placed
Okay,
under the
okay.
custody of the child welfare
welfare
committee.
committee and they have
Mr.
placed them in the custody of Oslo mission.
Issue notice returnable by 3 weeks. Mr. Who else are appearing? Who are appearing?
I'm for 4 and 5.
Mr. MS 1, 2, and 3. MS P. Pang, counsel for the Learned State Council enters appearance and accepts notice on behalf of respondent 1, 2, and 3, and Mr. G. Thado for learned additional PV for respondent number 2, 4, and 5. This took no formalities need be served. However, extra copies, be furnished to the Learned State Council for the respondents. Next page. Pending return of the notice. It is provided that the petitions shall be given the,
For limited time.
Your lordship,
Meeting for
custody
limited time.
shall be given the
Custody to-
right of vegetation,
Custody, your
Right.
lordship, but they are
right of
from-
vegetation to her daughter, namely
Anjana type, your lordship.
Anjana Tait,
This
Miss
Anjana.
MS Anjana Tait, huh? Are you getting it?
Your lordship,
List after 3 weeks.
Custody may be given for till returnable that your lordship.
No, no.
In simple.
Vegetation right.
Yes,
What
vegetation.
that is amounts to granting a full relief, sir.
Vegetation,
Once
Only-
we allow the to give allow the custody, it is
Within these 3 weeks, when they wish, they can visit.
you obtain the instruction
yes.
and file appropriate application, both of you. What is the status and all? how they are connected, how she is required to be placed in the, under the child welfare committee. All right?
Yes, already charge sheeted, so this year may be called for. Already charge sheeted, so this year may be called for.
Whatever you want to do it, do it. You file an affidavit. You call, you talk to your officers. What is the status? How is it going on? What is his her connection? You file an affidavit. All right.
Next are also related, your
Same daughter.
Same,
Daughter.
daughter.
3, 4,
4, 5,
and 6. Yes.
Together, there are 4 minor daughters, minor
Yes.
children.
Name will be
Same
different,
order.
huh? Don't mix it up. Yes, I'll just mention it. Same, huh? But first of item 4 is,
Item 4 is Gagan Tide. And the
that is MS
Anjana Tide.
Anjana Tais. Then this is item 5 is,
Miss Janpuli and Babuni Kudle.
daughter, namely so and so, huh? Same,
Same prayer. Same.
then 6. 6 is,
For Miss Kankan,
where do you have given?
that is item number 6, your worship.
Granddaughter.
Granddaughter.
In 6 granddaughter, not the daughter.
Other mother and father.
Huh?
In item number 4 is the father is seeking for the custody, and item number 5 mother is seeking
Mother,
for the custody,
ah.
and item number 6
Grandfather.
grandmother is
This is the difference. Name will be the same.
obliged.
My friend. Hello, this is a follow-up action. Now, the petitioner has, yes, subsequent, my right, available. Yes, my still pencil.
one.
Yes, ma'am. This subsequent with this is report. Yes. No, no, technical bid of this, my lord, the MS, this private respondent. Tenge Construction Company. Accepted. I have challenged the NIT. NIT that 9th of NIT. Yes, ma'am.
I appear for 3 and 4.
Well, 1 and 2, I'm appearing. Yes, madam.
May I, in this petition, challenging the financial bit as well as the order for technical, financial and order for commencement of work. Yes. And order for commencement of what?
For commencement.
Proceed with it. My lord, one observation may be made, my lord. My lord, page 42, my lord, shall be the subject to the outcome of this meeting. That was this is regarding commencement of what?
It's already there. Always.
My lord,
Always.
deeply. No,
May please, your lordship. This is a transfer matter, lordship. And my retention order was challenged by the read petitioner, lordship. Now, no, 9 years, 9.5 years. Lord. That's why today, no, I am not going to challenge. So lordship can dispose of in favor of the read petitioner, lordship. I will go. No, I will not. Because I'm not going to challenge this matter. So I'm not going to file any appeal also. If the government arrange me somewhere, I will go. That's it. So, lordship can yes, dispose of.
This is the extent of the government. Since if they are accepting my pleadings, then your honor can dispose on the merit.
no, what else you want?
What?
Paper response is ready to move.
Yes.
What else you want?
I am challenging the impugned order. Yes.
Yes, in the model.
Yes. Yes, Lord. Yeah. For the president number 4. Yes. Yes. Oh.
Deeply obliged. No, so there are some judgment, relevant judgment. I would like to place this some. Deeply obliged.
Wait. My lord, the understanding was that affidavits will be filed. And so that it can be taken up for disposal. The affidavit has not come. So, my lord, there's an observation that the entry will be taken up.
I've received the instruction. Just yesterday I've received this instruction. It says, Lordship, the total string of this indicator, the total string is 105, this is 105. Out of that, if 50-50 ratio is maintained, 53 is for the promotion and 52 is for the direct recruitment. At present, Lordship, there's a, so far promotional post is concerned, 28 posts is lying vacant. And against the direct recruitment, 20 posts is lying vacant. So, but advertised post is concerned, this is only a 6 post.
So how many posts for promotion?
Promotion, total losses, 53 losses, and 28 posts are lying vacant.
That is,
So
And
then
and
if that is the 20, how many? 52 posts. 52 posts total.
53 in promotional posts.
53 in promotional posts. Posts have been filled up.
25.
25.
this is totally contrary to the RTI reply at page 30, as your lordship kindly have a
If
look.
that is the what's there, was nothing you cannot.
No, no,
have
if they
any-
can say that
You
this
file an
post,
affidavit.
this
of
post,
that.
that
Let them
advertised
bring,
post,
let them bring one record.
Yes.
We'll
if
dispose
they say that
next
this
week.
post are the direct recruit post, then that's it. That the award post remains, and if they told that what is our promotional post, then that's it.
Are you saying that the post, there are
Because
are lying vacant for the promotion quota also?
Both the losses. Direct recruitment also, promotion also.
For direct recruitment? How many posts
Now
lying
losses,
vacant?
20 posts lying vacant.
So why you have given only 6?
6 posts, as I have telepathically this morning, I have spoken to the authority.
Why not
They,
all the
they have sent requisitions for 18
No.
posts.
that,
18 posts.
18 posts, but the advice only 6 posts.
that is in respect of all entry grades. If your lordship may kindly have give me, page 30, your lordship kindly have a more. This is what I am understanding.
30?
Yes, 38.
30.
Yes, this RTI reply will lordship will kindly come directly come to 41.
41.
Yes, we are concerned with civil police.
Yes. Promotion quota
Promotion
30,
30,
filled up
direct 30.
21.
Filled up 21 promotion, 9 vacancy, direct 2 excess. How can they do this then? Because your lordship will see AAPBN, there are direct recruits, so lots of vacancies. They say 20. That's why exactly that's what my learned friend is pointing out. Is correct. 20. But what about civil police? 2 excess. That is what it appears, that is the instruction. We are concerned with civil police because the requisition sent 4 does not specify anything, but 2 is clearly civil police. This is only in the month of September, my lord, RTI reply. 19th of September. We are concerned with the civil police. And it's correct. If my learned friend is saying 20, yes, 20, but that is not in respect of civil police. It's correct, 28 vacancies. The exact thing that what the RTI reply says. But it's 28 vacancies for it is for APBN and
You are not
IRP.
concerned about
We
that.
are not concerned about that.
APPB and IRP.
Yes, yes. Then that is it
Total
appears
is
that
20.
is the instruction that has come. We are concerned with this 2 excess. And if your lordship see the requisition, your lordship will clearly see the 2 is for civil police at page 37. That be so, my lord, this has to be installed.
And I have told the officer to come on Tuesday also. So I have to have some clarifications on this.
So that affidavit will not come, my lord, in the meantime. And once the examination is held, my lord, it will create problem in that case.
Examination is, I think, is on 15 or 16.
They will consider next week. Let him, you file by Tuesday, you file the
Then let him file definitely. my lord.
affidavit. Tuesday.
Can it be on Thursday?
But that is what I have understood. It is
Thursday.
exactly the same
Because
instruction.
this has been fixed for consideration of entry.
Yes.
Otherwise, we'll grant, will stay.
No.
Yes.
What I'm just, in last occasion also I have proposed. Since the examination is on 15th of December only.
No, on the last occasion, I
Yeah,
remember
they-
learned friend saying, if I don't, if I am not able to file the affidavit, I will concede. That's what he said.
You filed the petition affidavit on Tuesday.
Yes.
We'll take it up on Thursday.
From today loss till
Then my lord will
Monday,
consider my
holiday is
thing.
there. Till Monday is holiday loss. Tuesday is the.
Okay, you file by Wednesday, we'll take, matter will be taken up on Thursday.
Okay. No issue.
For consideration of entry.
Okay.
If that is the case, you cannot.
Okay.
Yes. Apparently, it appears that is the instruction. My lord,
Not
make an
Mr.
observation. The interim
Have
prayer.
Mr. Deepak Land counsel for the petitioner. And also have Mr. A. Apak Land senior counsel
R3.
for respondent number 3. And Mr. S. Tapin Next para. Mr. Estafit Leonard, Senior Government Advocate, submits that he has received the instruction. However, certain clarification is to be required before filing the affidavit. Before bringing on record of the instruction by way of affidavit. Therefore, he pressed for listing the matter on 28,
It's 28.
28, 11, 2024,
28 is Friday, madam.
Thursday.
Thursday.
Oh. Yes,
Have you recovered fully?
not exactly. I came because, in fact, my learned friend on the last occasion,
Maybe the
I forgot my age and
because of
participated in the match.
the reason.
My learned friend is saying something now. The last occasion he said, I'm going to concede, file my affidavit. Now he's coming out with this.
Praise of the learned senior government advocate is allowed, Mr. The the senior government advocate shall file the affidavit by on or before 27, 11/2024. Mr. List the matter on 2024 for consideration of the interim prayer
Ma'am.
as directed as for the order dated 04/11/2024.
Apparently, it's the same information that I have received.
You change it, don't
Yes.
make it complicated.
Mm.
We're
The same thing.
we don't derive any plan to stay the proceedings.
All right.
Your Honor, this matter may be urgent because leading counsellors could not
We
able
want
to
to
come.
allow the application, but you are keep on asking, what is this?
POCSO matter, services is abated. Service not complete.
Okay.
And here your response to is a victim which was addressed by her name. So
In both the cases.
Yes, both the cases.
Okay. Our service report. And office note dated 21/11/24. It reflects that service report in respect of respondent number 2 is still awaited.
Your Lordship, this petition may be dismissed because victim was addressed by her name because he's a minor and her name has to be withheld as per the statute POCSO under POCSO.
Who is the lawyer?
Sangeeta Bura, she is from Nagawa, Assam.
You cannot disclose the name of the victim.
Yes.
My lord.
Yes, madam.
Yes, they have appeared and they have recorded their statement, Lordship. As per their statement, this is the hearing statement, Lordship. And Lordship, there is some objection from the investigating agency, Lordship, regarding the bail, Lordship, to making absolute.
What?
This is their statement, Lordship.
Then
Yes, Lordship.
you are not cooperating.
My lord, so far
You produce the dumper.
dumper, my lord, so far as my instruction goes on, possibly dumper could not have been produced.
Why?
But rest of the documents, my lord, all documents were.
Records and you produce the dumper also.
The only problem is that, my lord,
Will make it absolute, but with the condition that you should cooperate with the dumper.
Lordship, I appreciate, my lord, one thing, my lord. I'm not, what Lordship will pass an order, I will accept it. But my contention is that, my lord, we are the bona fide purchaser.
No, it's all right. Now that
all
is the,
documents we have-
sir, that will be matter of trial investigation. You produce the dumper.
Fine.
It appears that
Fine.
you may not be involved.
My lord,
May not be.
my lord.
You might be bona fide, you have purchased it. That is assumed for a
Right.
time being. But
And-
in fact remains that it has been forced
And law
by
takes-
someone.
Yes,
If not you, in not collegiate with you,
my lord,
but someone has done that.
my lord. Someone has
Force
done.
the documents and all. So we'll grant you, we'll make it absolute with a condition
Right.
that you should produce, you should cooperate, appear and cooperate as and when required, and also produce the dumper.
Documents
how
were
many
already
dumpers?
produced,
How many
documents were
dumpers?
produced.
How many,
Documents
how many dumpers?
Two dumpers. There are
You
one more
produce the
case.
two dumpers.
Next case, my lord.
First,
This
one
one
each.
one dumper,
One each.
one each,
Okay.
one each.
Okay. Heard, Mr.
And my lord,
A.K. Prakash,
my lord, I shall have the liberty to approach the court, my lord. I can make an application for release of the.
no, that is the law.
Ah,
You can have that. You
Mal-
must, for the condition of
Mal-
making a bail
Mal-
absolute, you produce the dumper.
Mal-
All right.
Mal-
And Mr. A.K. Prakash, learn counsel for the applicant. Accused applicant by filing this application under this was 438.
30,
Hmm?
430.
When did you file?
And we filed
29 September.
September, September.
Any application filed after 1st of July
My lord,
coming into force of BNSS is to be under BNSS only.
my lord, because my lord, there is a saving clause. In saving clause says, my
That
lord,
has been settled.
by judgment subsequently. That was by our High Court division, subsequently judgment was delivered. That all cases, my lord, whether before or after, application has to be
You
made under the.
you are submitting contrary to the judgment of the division bench.
But I've gone through the judgment.
Last 2 weeks only.
Yes, yes.
Last 2 weeks.
Then
All
my-
the
my-
applications after the coming into the force will be in the new act.
my lord, because this is already before delivery of the judgment, we have filed this application.
Huh?
Before that judgment was delivered, we filed this application.
Then in that case, anyway.
Because it is.
Under section 430 of the CRPC 1973. No, we'll say this is an application. Praying for. That this bail application is filed, praying for. Privilege of pre-arrest bail. To the accused applicant in connection with Chimpu PS case number 34 of 2024. Under section 406, 468, 471, 420 of IPC. You just release of accused person, namely, MD Babu Ali, right?
My lord. Yes,
MD Babu Ali and
Babu Ali,
Nivas Thakur.
Nivas Thakur. Nivas Thakur is now subsequent. Nivas Thakur is next one. Initially, my lord, we filed a joint petition. My lord was not inclined to, my lord, pass the order in favor of Nivas Thakur. And we have been asked to file the separate petition.
Okay.
So we filed the separate.
Babu Ali.
Babu Ali.
MD Bablu Ali.
Babu.
Then in connection with so and so, so and so. Where is the FIR?
FIR is page, my lord. FIR is S page, my lord, 20.
And FIR was lodged by one city, Sadar Nigla, on 28/03/2024 before the officer in charge police station, Chimpo, which are as follows. Page 21. You start from to the effect that he has availed her back so and so and up to before the vehicle damaged her blister. Up to this third line, third para, up to damage. On receipt, next para, on receipt of the above FIR, a case was registered being Timpo PS case number 34 of 2024 under section so and so, so and so. Next para. This court on zero 1/10/2024 has granted interpreter's bail to the accused person, namely MD Bablu Ali. Next paragraph. Petitioner. The accused applicant has appeared before the investigating officer on 09/10. What is this? When he appeared,
And he appeared on 5/10/2024. I think.
110 on 09/10/2024 recorded his statement. List of the applicant, no, list of for the investigating authority officer, and has been released on bail in terms of the order of this court. Next paragraph. the arrested and appeared before the investigating officer when was arrested, thereafter released on bail in terms of the order of this court bench. List of next para. On perusal of the case diary, it reveals that the accused applicant has stated that they have purchased Tata numbers number AR01M -2512 and AR01M -2513 from one Mustaq Rahman. Mr. They have never met the informant who is the registered owner of the vehicles, above vehicles. The accused applicant has stated that their names and the necessary documentary formalities were carried out by Said Mustaq Rahman. And after receiving of the notice from the police, they learned that they said Mustaq Rahman had sold them the vehicles by forging the signature of the signature of the vehicle owners, as well their signatures in the forms in the form number 29 and 30 and on the sale deed. The said Mustaq Rahman also reportedly submitted a fake NOC for termination of loan from the Tata Motors Finance in Lakhimpur to the DTO in Naharlagun, and he has obtained an NOC from DTO in Naharlagun. And accordingly, based on the NOCs, the accused applicant had submitted before the DTO Hipsagar Assam and changed the registration number of the vehicles from Arunachal to Assam. And the said vehicles are being given on hire in Nagaland for mining work. Expert, having considered the materials and considering that the accused applicant has recorded his statement from although the investigating authority has sought for has prayed for cancellation of the interim bail. No, no, not cancel. Oppose the grant of bail to the accused person. Among the view that the I'm inclined to grant a pre-arrest bail to the petitioner, the accused applicant. Accordingly, the interim bail granted on 25, granted on 01/12/2024 is made absolute on the following conditions. One, the accused applicant shall appear before. Since you are from outside, are you from Arunachal? No.
No, I'm from Assam.
I'll direct you to appear once in a week.
Once it will be difficult. So he is coming down from,
Once in a 10 days.
my lord,
Otherwise, it's very difficult.
once in month,
No,
once in 15 days.
no. Shall in that case, as and when called for,
As and when.
shall appear before the investigating officer of the Chimpu police station. Investigating officer, not Chimpu. As and when directed to do so. Please stop. The petitioner shall produce the. You have to produce within 10 days. The petitioner shall produce the
15 days, my lord, because I will have to contact my client.
vehicles involved in the case, namely Tata numbers number AR01M-2512 and AR01M-2513. Now, when is it re-registered?
Registered Shipshava.
Where is it? What is the number?
Number is, my lord, fine.
Which has been re-registered? Hmm?
Connection, Dr. Kalis, you.
Yes,
33.
yes. Which has been re-registered is AS04BC.
Motion 1.
This 9399. Huh?
Yes.
Another one is
Other one is
804.
808411.
A04. Is it A04? AS04?
804 BC 9506.
Huh?
804 BC 9506.
9506.
06.
Other one is 9399.
Yes.
First one is 9399.
Yes.
And second one is
9506.
9506. Within a period of 10 days from today.
15 days. I have to contact my client, madam.
12 days. Or 13 days. Within a period of 13 days from today. And then other conditions shall not induce and all those.
A common judgment in both.
Next para. In the event In the event, the above condition is, no, on the failure to abide by the above condition, shall automatically entails, no, shall the on the failure to comply with the above condition, the bail granted shall stand automatically cancelled. If you fail to do so, it will be cancelled.
That consequence follow. And judgment was delivered by Division Bench on 11/11/2024. Same.
Name will be different.
Oblast.
That's why we just mentioned two dumpers, huh? And the statement also name will be different, that they have so and so, so and so.
Oblast.
Will stand disposed, will application stand disposed. Ah.
This is Lordship, as this petitioner is in representative capacity, as I have submitted yesterday. Rhodas State Private Limited. And all are contractual disputes. And as
You
per
cannot-
instruction, I have already this 5 lakhs bill has been also paid to the this complainant, isn't it? He has invested 8 lakhs. Running bill he has been still the work is going on.
Yes,
In yesterday case, there was an agreement, but in this
There
case,
was an agreement.
there is no agreement.
Kindly see
what
the
is the
FIR,
material?
kindly see that.
What material is there?
Yes,
There is the agreement.
now another company is taking over the work that was awarded to this petition.
Informant.
Yes,
Awarded to informant.
yes, informant.
Hmm?
Fraudulent intention was there since from the beginning. They were settled for the construction of the mobile tower for a cost of 30 lakhs, and on two installment, 2 lakhs and 8 lakhs, total 10 lakhs already paid.
What material is there?
Thereafter, he is avoiding the informant and evading from police arrest also. He is now lodged at
5 lakhs will be funded.
Diomali PS in connection with,
This appears to be your modus operandi.
yes,
You
And
do
case is
ask
that I am in representative
ask the
capacity.
people to deposit, say, 50 lakhs.
That is the allegation.
Then you started
negotiate.
funding 5 lakhs, 10 lakhs. And
That
what
is-
is, what, out of that, your balance amount, you,
Apart from that, kindly see this, during the course of investigation, my account has been freezed. In another case, that is why I am.
what is the
encroached-
status? Tell us.
Updated CD.
So what is there?
Only statement of
My Jimma application.
Informant.
For
Huh?
depleting the.
only statement of informant, because till now he was not arrested. Similar nature of case, Diomali case is a similar nature of case where he was detained.
List of cases is also given in my petition. There are 5, Devamali case, Pasigat case, Alo case, Simpu case. In
Last
Simpu
page
case
is
and Alo
statement
case
of
already
informant.
is balance granted. Now it is Pasigat case. The issue is when there is a contractual dispute, when I am representing in a representative capacity of MS Brothers State Private Limited. during the course of business of the company, I was in this agency through which the work was done, and accordingly, 5 lakhs has been invested. Amount is 5 lakhs, 8 lakhs as per the agreement, and 8 lakhs money was deposited. And I have a running bill. He has already complained has been already paid 5 lakhs, and still bill is pending. It is admitted fact, and this account, my account, was freeze by the during the course of investigation because there was a delay in payment of the bill. That was the issue. This is basic issue. Court issued a case. And when this is a 420 matter, Lordship is aware of the fact that when the 420 is in question, that criminal ingredient, that has to be knocked out. When
Yes. Ingredient is procedural and dishonest intention.
there is this agreement, this work has been done on the basis of agreement. In the affidavit, this FIR itself, it is clearly stated on the basis of agreement, work was started. And 5 lakhs was also, the running bill of 5 lakhs was already released. And during the course of pendency of this pending bill, this my account was freeze. In my account, there is a 50 lakhs plus money is pending, which is to be defreezed and to be paid.
It's your not money. It others money.
This is the company money, and company is ready to pay. This is the key. Why
So for 5 cases are pending
I'm
and
ready to pay the money if there is a money. That is the issue here.
petitioner in his petition
Why?
deposed that
Where is the
some more cases maybe come up
where is
in
the
future.
dishonest intention in the case? There is no allegation of inducement. There is no allegation of dishonest intention of this accused person in this case. Just a representative capacity was representing, and he was demanding money. Money was not the religion on timely basis. That was the issue here.
There appears to be something wrong. Have you tried to find out this company? Messrs. Roads States Private Limited.
Rodas, private estate limited Guwahati.
No,
That is not
that is not in the record.
This
this
is
is not a fact. This is not a fact firm. This is a real firm.
You show us the
And,
credential of that form.
yes, we can produce that on the next day, if it is the case.
Next week. We'll take it up next week. You
And-
produce the credential of that farm. The company.
Little motor maybe granted load. In case of production warrant again, I will.
Let there be. This is something I find. It's
Yes, sir.
not one isolated case. So many
this is-
cases against you.
Issue is
You
lost.
produce the credential of that company which you are the
And the
member or
representative capacity.
executive representative company. You produce that. And your appointment. Your appointment as well as the first credential and the appointments of the.
Appointment in the rest of the this. I have
It
submitted.
appears to be, sir.
In,
Let us find out if it is not fake company,
my appointment is here.
then you get the credentials
Yes,
of the
credentials
company
only.
next week
On the next week.
on 27th. This is not,
Because I am unable to, because
Sir,
the man who was dealing with the matter
It's
is
creates a-
inside the jail. That is why we are unable to procure all those documents at this stage.
it creates a doubt. How can you have that kind of, not one or two, many, so many,
Yes,
every
so many.
district.
That is why I have a
You,
list of
from,
cases.
you try to find out from the source as well as from your own knowledge. Because you are the officer of the court. We cannot allow such type of person to
In my AV, I have
continue
all the
in
list of
their
cases filed against me.
ill design. We cannot allow. Apart from this case,
Like that.
you being an officer of the court, try to
Yes, credential
render,
is, correct.
render and support justice to the people. This is something one could can understand. One can understand if it's one or two cases of agreement, purely business and all those things.
I will produce the credentials on the next day. It is
Next
not a
week.
fact.
Next week. You retain the CD.
I'll
You
retain
retain
it.
the CD.
On the,
But you
Then-
take, because you are waiting for production, you are waiting.
Yes, arrest is.
Yes,
Arrest,
since he has been arrested in some other case,
yes.
so you have asked for production of the,
IO has made prayer for issue of non-bailable warrant of arrest, but it was rejected. It was rejected. Firstly, Chimpu police arrested the accused persons, and on the requisitions, it was sent to Diomali. And the Diomali has taken remand.
we'll take it up next week.
particular date may be fixed, Lordship, on 26,
27.
27.
27.
Obelisk.
You retain the case then.
Oh,
Updated date.
Can you produce updated by 27?
it's already updated
No, till next date.
till next date. Status maybe.
You
Status report. Yes, maybe called.
Heard Mr. Peter Learned Counsel for Deputation. Applicant. Mr. G. Learned Additional PP has produced the updated case there. Mr. On the prayer of Learned Counsel for the court. It is better on 27.
27.
27/11/2024. On which date? Mr. Jita Roland shall place the
Status report.
status
Updated status.
status report. Along with the CD.
Yes.
All right.
Obliged.
Yes.
Let me follow. Some mistake was done.
Press steps.
Yes, steps. So what happened, Lordship, here? Instead of respondent number 4, it was typed as a respondent number 2. That's why it was not listed for more than 3 months.
Yeah.
So only that can be changed. That
Which one?
instead of the respondent number 4, number 2, instead of respondent number 2, it's supposed to be respondent number 4.
Your steps to be taken for respondent number.
Yes, number 4.
Notice about respondent 4 and 5 registered post.
Yes.
What about 5?
5, they have already written, I think, most, except respondent number 4 was left out.
Okay.
Yes.
So we'll say, Mr. Office note dated 21/11/2024 reflects that no press steps has been taken for notice, service of notice upon respondent number 4. Mr. Next paragraph. Mr. M. Butler, counsel for the petitioner, is granted 1 week time to take press steps on respondent for service of notice upon respondent number 4.
4, yes.
Less than matter after 3 weeks.
Yeah. Most of them.
The state may also file the affidavit.
All right.
Yes.
Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of respondent.
Sole respondent. Heard Mr. C. the B. O. Modi, learned counsel for the petitioner,
Lordship, in this matter, we are not filing affidavit in reply.
Mr.
A. Gamre.
A.
Gamre.
Gamdik,
Gamre. Gamre.
G. Gamre, Learned Counsel,
A. Gamre.
enters appearance on behalf of respondent number, sole respondent. Sole respondent.
Lordship,
Therefore,
the
service is completed. List the method for admission hearing.
on minute for December.
Huh?
4th December.
Admission hearing after 2 weeks.
Not a contacting council coming from our God, so it is on 4th December.
3, 4, we have picked so many methods. Thereafter, you
7 January.
7 January.
May I please, your lordship?
Please by 1:30. Yes,
May I please, your lordship?
yes,
Since the records have come,
yes.
the matter can be disposed of, lordship, today.
Why?
Because the suit is pending and there is an interim order. Although it is in my favor, but still prefer. It's a very small issue.
What is the issue?
Issue is that I was not given a chance for to examine myself as a defense witness.
Okay. Not today.
Lordship?
Not today. When do you want? He is ready today also, but
I'm also ready.
this court is not ready.
Okay.
This court is seeking adjournment. When? Will it be
Short time may be given, my lord.
after a week?
After
On the prayer of service? No. You have already appeared long time back.
yes.
Okay. Record is heard MS N. Dagan, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, and also Mr.
T Nikam.
P.
T Nikam.
T. Nikam.
Yes.
Learned Counsel for the respondent. The scanned copy of the record of the trial court is received. This admission hearing after a week.
Lordship, interim order may be cancelled.
Interim of the first earlier continue.
Much obliged.
Can you, Dangan, can you just inform Mr. Mukherjee?
Yes.
Yesterday's matter, I would like to say something. That RSA. You just ask somebody to call him. Yes, what is this?
My lord, this I number 114, 2024 is for implement of employment as a party in criminal revision petition number 19, 2024.
Directed by this court on so and so. Huh? Have you any objection?
No, POCSO matter.
So which the thing? It's a victim.
Improvement is
Yes,
a
the informant
victim.
is victim.
The X.
Yes.
Whether this can be no in question number two, I have also added that they are saying that so far as the allotment and all these are concerned, passbook and all, whether this is a mutation certificate or is it only for the purpose of
Revenue.
payment of revenue
Yes.
or whatever.
Whether it
That-
confers substantive.
Three questions I have.
Yes.
I have signed it today.
Yes.
Yesterday I had some confusion.
Yes.
So three substantive question of law
Obliged.
according to this court.
Yes.
We'll see.